Yeah, g'day, Dave Setches, livestock manager of Alex Scott's in Pakenham. Today we had our first of the spring sales. 2850 cattle came forward, and a very good run of August-September drop calves. Limited, heavier sort of steers, 500 to 600 kilos, but the steers in that category sold exceptionally well to the feedlots who were very active. Keswick's, Charlton, and a few others. So, those sort of 500 kilo steers topped at about $5.80, and sort of 600 plus steers up to about $5.45, which was very strong.
Now, 23.20, 23.20, 23.20, 30, 40, 23.40, 50, 23.50, 60, 23.60 in front, 23.60, 23.60 with the hook, 23.60, hook, 70, 23.70, 23.70, give me the time, 23.70, hook, Everitt Seeley.
Then we sort of had some very good lines of weaner calves. There was 125 steers came down from Greta, Count JP Brewer, ranging from 395 down to 266 kilos, and apart from the first pen, 395 kilos that J&F Feedlot purchased, they all went back to the backgrounders and made from $7 up to $8.08 for the 266 kilo calves.
23.20, 23.20, 40. Little gears now, 23.50, 23.50, 22.60, 20.70, 23.70, 23.70, 80, 23.90, 23.90 bid, 24, 24, 24.10, 24.10, 24.10, quick, ready, done. Jason Fry, Alex Scott.
A lot of the heifer run also sold to strong demand, and we found a lot of those calves went back north over the border, and also back into sort of breeding programs. The northern blokes were very strong on the heifers, 300 plus kilos. Heifers that were big enough to join, 360 to 400. We found a lot of those better lines went back to the paddock.
I got 21.50 bid, over 21.50, 60. 21.60 drawn out at the back, 21.60, 21.60 to me, 21.60, 60, 70, 21.70, 21.70, talk around, 21.70, 80, 21.80, 21.80, 90, 21.90, 21.90 to me, 21.90 in front, 21.90, 21.90 me, wait, 21.90, Campbell with the 2, Campbell 2.
All in all, it was a very good sale. As I said, it was our first of our spring drop calves, and it was a lot of people here, more people than at a theme park on the Gold Coast, Michael. Exceptional sale, and hope we can find a few more in a fortnight's time.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?